New song by Bon Jovi, very sobering tune and probably an important one too. It's called American Reckoning. Guess we're all feeling this right now. It's a pretty powerful song. It's in the key of G, and it's got a lick in it that kind of goes around and around, and it starts out like this. Okay, so that is a reoccurring theme throughout the whole song. And the way the verse form goes, it's like G. And then it goes to a C. So that's how the verse form goes.
Aloha friends, my name is Jason and I'm Jimmy's business partner, and I'm the guy who puts together these guitar lesson videos for you every day. And I have 3 exciting things to share with you, and then we'll get right back to your guitar lesson. Number 1, I put together a free guitar blueprint for you that has all the chords, the tabs, the lyrics, and more in-depth information about this song. It's completely free and it'll help you learn this song a lot faster. Just go to jimmydillon.com/blueprint and you can get it totally for free. Number 2, in order to grow a successful guitar channel here on YouTube, we need to get by with a little help from our friends, and that is you. And Jimmy and I like to reward people and give away free prizes to people just like you who help us out. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, click the like button down below on the video, and leave a comment, and you'll automatically be registered into the free raffle where we give away swag, online memberships, DVDs, and occasionally we even give away free guitars. So make sure that you subscribe, comment, like, and share the video down below, and you'll automatically be in the running. And hey, you can comment and like and share as many videos as you like to give yourself more chances of winning. We pick a winner every single week, and I would absolutely love to call your name. And finally, number 3, make sure you stay to the end of this guitar lesson video because I have some epic gifts for you that I know you're gonna love. Okay, back to the lesson with Jimmy.
So the chorus starts out on a C to G, A minor 7th, G, then it goes E minor, G, C, G. So that's pretty much the chorus and the verse, the intro I gave you in the beginning. So let me take you to the solo. It goes like, right to an E minor, C, then E minor, C, A minor, C, to G. That's a harmonica solo there. It's very haunting. Kind of, if I may say so, a little bit Springsteen sounding. The whole song is very haunting, and obviously a serious thing that's going on right now. I hope you enjoyed that lesson. John Bon Jovi, American Reckoning. Peace out.
Hey, thanks so much for checking out this guitar lesson video with Jimmy Dillon. As I promised earlier in the video, I have some epic free gifts that I want to give you where you can demo over a dozen of Jimmy's courses. All you have to do is go to jimmydillon.com/free and they're all yours. And remember, when you subscribe to the channel, like the video down below, leave a comment or share, you're automatically entered into our free raffle where we give away a ton of swag, guitar lessons, online memberships, and even guitars and gear. All you have to do is show some love by subscribing to the channel, liking the video down below, and leaving a comment. And if you're feeling extra generous, share this with some of your friends.